Are you looking for the best home renovation organizer in Melbourne? You need to ask a few questions before hiring. How experienced are you? Ask about the experience, as this will make all the difference in the quality of their service. Have you organized a home of this layout and dimension? If yes, that means you have hired a company that is capable of organizing the renovation of your home. Are you flexible and take inputs from customers? This is something the company must be. Ask whether the company is flexible and will take your inputs while planning the renovation. What better name can you look for than Home Organisers? We are the best home renovation planner in Melbourne. Call now 0407 094 444. Mail at nancy@homeorganisers.com. Visit us homeorganisers.com.